Hello everyone and welcome to Neet Mentor. In this video, we are going to look at Maharashtra state around 2022 cutoff, okay, for the online round, branch wise as well as category wise. So we will look at the cutoff for open category OBC, their local categories which is available only applicable only in Maharashtra NT1, NT2, NT3, VJ and SC/ST. Okay, we will also look at the minimum marks required for each and every category in order to get particular subject through state counseling. Okay, so this is the cutoff for private colleges. For the private colleges means semi government colleges, private colleges government quota seat, or you can name it as semi government colleges. There is management quota. I'm not going to look at management quota in this video. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe this channel, and in the description of the video you can find Instagram page. You can follow that page in order to find these PDFs, and you can also join our Telegram group. And we also provide paid counseling guidance. Okay, so for that you can avail our paid counseling guidance. The slot is open, and you can contact us on number 9319128677. So radio diagnosis got closed for open category up to rank of 16,681. Dermatology in open category went up to 31,839. General medicine up to 29,697. Pediatrics 24,587. OBGY 34,238. Orthopedics 28,628. TV chest 20,336. General surgery 33,369. Psychiatry medicine 53,119. Ophthalmology 34,746. ENT 36,910. Anesthesia 82,000 plus, and pathology up to just qualifying score. Radio diagnosis OBC cutoff was 8,363. For dermatology it was 42,768. General medicine 17,044. You can see the cutoff in Maharashtra semi-private college is much improved compared to last year. The reason is very obvious. Most of these cutoff, the closing rank is for the new institute Vedanta, okay, where the tuition fee is on higher side, around 18 lakhs 40,000, whereas other colleges will charge you their maximum 13 to 14, starting from 8 lakhs, 8, 12, 10, 13, 14 like that. But Vedanta has high tuition fee 18 lakhs 40,000. That's why the cutoff is improved compared to year 2021. Okay, so likewise you can see the cutoff for other branches and all the categories. Okay, now let's look at the required score. So this is the required score, minimum required score in order to target a seat in Maharashtra semi-private college. See, the required score depends on the difficulty level of the paper. If the difficulty level of the paper is same as 2022, then this will be the target you should set, and keep like 10 to 15 marks extra than this score, so that in case you do some mistake, still you get the target. Okay, so radio diagnosis for open category, I'm telling you, radio diagnosis you should have a score. You should be getting score in GT around 475. For dermatology around 420 or more than that. General medicine 425. Pediatrics 440 to 445. OBGY 405. Orthopedics 430. And TB and chest around 460. General surgery around 415. Psychiatry medicine 355. Ophthalmology 410. ENT 405. Anesthesia 295. And pathology just qualifying. And for OBC you need so for some of the branches you need better score where the number of seat is less, and okay, so you need better score in OBC. around 525. For dermatology, you need around 380 to 385. For general medicine, around 470 to 475. Pediatrics, around 410 to 415. For general medicine, pediatrics, OBGY, okay, you need to target around 415. Uh, 450 plus, okay, then you can get any of these branches. TV and chest around 335, general surgery also 330, 355, pediatrics, psychiatric medicine 425, ophthalmology 425, ENT 325, anesthesia pathology is achievable at just qualifying score also. So this is what I wanted to share about Maharashtra state counseling. This cutoff and all is very important. You can save it for your future reference. For now, you can see the score and target the GT accordingly. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.